Alright, I just wanted to make an updated video of the progress I've made so far on this oscilloscope. I got this bottom board all populated and resoldered. Let's see. Switch hands here. If you're wondering what the little black dots are on the capacitors, it's the foil end of the capacitor, or the bandit end, whatever you'd like to call it. But there it is. All repopulated with brand new components, except for a couple. Didn't replace this cap here. Didn't replace this cap here. And what else? That's it. Still got quite a bit to go. I got this backboard I gotta do. I gotta fix a bunch of solderings on the switch here. Gotta replace that cap. Yet, haven't done that. But it's getting there. So it's just a progress report. Still gotta do the electrolytics on this big can. Some of the wires I've replaced, some I haven't but intend to. Some of the wires are okay, and some of them are shite. This one here, it seemed to have gotten really cooked for some reason, or the wire that was here anyway. So anyway, that's it. I will continue on and give you another progress report after a while. Thanks for watching if you watched. Bye.